Alright, we got another job done. Replaced the vanity. Used to be a big old mirror there. Big old glue spots touched up. New trim, toe kick. And this here, new marble threshold. Porcelain tile floor. All new baseboard, new toilet, and the shower, new pan. It's an 8 by 24 inch tile, all the way to the ceiling. "14 by 24 inch niche with a glass shelf. There used to be an actual door unit here. We widened it a little bit from 34 to 38 and just wrapped it with drywall. Down here at the other end of the closet used to be another doorway. Closed it off. Drywall, trim. Same thing obviously on this side. Used to be more of a his or hers type shared closet there. So that's all ready for paint. So yeah, just waiting on the granite countertop, which we're about a month away from them even coming and templating it.